Jai Gurudev students. So again we will start with Microsoft logo. You can see in my screen there is a figure of our computer, figure number 7.1 from your book. After opening the MSW logo or logo command app or application in computer, such kind of two windows will appear in front of us. Now we have come to know what is MSW and how many parts are there in MSW logo screen. So one part is graphics screen, that means where the pictures can be drawn, and the next one is commander window, and next one is command input box, where we need to put the command or instruction to the computer or to the system through which our system can record or through which our system can process following our instruction or command. And in commander window or recall list box, okay, specifically in recall list box, which command has been given by you, it will be displayed so that you can see if any mistakes happens here, or anyone can see your programming, that which command you have used for the purpose of drawing or any else. So up to drawing we have completed. So today we will start with print primitive. Lots of primitive we have learned. You have learned FD, forward, backward, left, right, home, hide turtle, show turtle, clear screen, and clear text. So each one has separate kind of works or separate kinds of functions to perform. Now we will go for the next, that is print primitive or print command. Before that, two primitive lefts, one is PU and second one is PD. P for pen and U for up, P for pen and D for down. So pen up and pen down. See, whenever we use forward or FD40, FD30, it will move forward, or if we press the backward primitive, then it will move backward, or left, right, in all sides turtle can be moved. But at that time, that means when the turtle is moving, it will make a sign or it will make a picture, right? But if we use PU, that means pen up or pen down, then the turtle will move, but it will not make any kind of sign or any kind of color in the graphic screen box. So PU, this command orders the turtle to lift the pen up from the screen and move without drawing any line. অর্থাৎ কোনো লাইন ছাড়া PU পেন আপ দিয়ে যদি আমরা এন্টার দেই কমান্ড বক্সের মধ্যে, দ্যাট মিন্স কমান্ড ইনপুট বক্সের মধ্যে, এবং তারপর যদি আমরা এন্টার দেই তাহলে সেটা উপর দিকে যাবে, টার্টেলটা উপরের দিকে যাবে, বাট কোনো রকমের লাইন ক্রিয়েট হবে না। And after that, by means when we come out from our school or when we go to any relatives home, and after that when we need to back into our home, at that time we bade our relatives or our friends goodbye or bye. That means we are exiting from your house. So like this way, in MSW logo also, this command used to exit logo, অর্থাৎ লোগো থেকে বেরোনোর সময় এই কমান্ডটা আমাদেরকে হেল্প করে। Now the next one is the print command. The short form of print command you can see PR. Now how to print or what to print? See, in commander input box you need to write, suppose you need to print 1298 or any your name can be printed, but now starting with a number. Suppose you want to print your birth date, so I am putting my birth date. Suppose I want to print 1306. Okay, so print 1306. If we write down in the commander box, and after that it will print. You can see print 1298. In next line it has been printed 1298, and after that print 34. This way 34 has been printed. So to display any number, type print in the input box, press the space bar key once and type the number. The number will be displayed as the output in the recall list box as shown in the figure 7.2. So how to print? At first you need to write the print, the word print, and after that you will click or you will press the space bar, and after that you need to write any number to print that number. And after that, now printing a letter, number we have learned. Now we need to print a letter. What will we do? Same, we need to write print, 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 and after that we need to press the space bar, and after that we need to give double inverted comma. There are two inverted commas in our grammar we have learned, single quotation, double quotation, or single inverted comma, double inverted comma. So in that double inverted comma, you need to write the letters or the word which you need to print. Suppose in our example, it has been given print in inverted comma, K is there, and after that you need to press enter, and after pressing the enter, K will be printed. And after that they used an example by writing a word. So print kips, 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 enter, then it will print the kips. Now printing a sentence. Now you need to print. At first we have learned how to print a number, and after that we learned how to print a word or a letter. Now we need to know printing a sentence, how to print a sentence. In both cases, see, in case of number, we have written print, and simply by giving space bar, by pressing space bar, we put the number. But in case of letter, you can see, after writing print, we need to put a double quotation, and after that, when we are printing a sentence, suppose you want to give a message to anyone, then you need to type PR. PR is short form of print primitive or print command. Actually, it is not a primitive, it will be considered as command. So whenever you are writing print, you can write PR also instead of writing print. And another question may arise in your mind, that in case of number command, capital P and small r int has been given, but in case of letter or in case of any word we have written all the letters of that particular word print in capital, right? Which one should we go? See, MSW logo is not case sensitive. Case sensitive means from our nursery to class 4 we have learned capital letter and small letter, right? Capital letter A, small letter A, capital letter B, small letter B. But in case of computer language, we need to know the two terms, uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase means capital letter and lowercase means small letter. Again I am telling, uppercase means capital letter and lowercase means small letter. So uppercase in case of letter, in case of writing word, print, all are used in uppercase, and in case of number, only the P used in capital letter, others are in lower, that means in small letter. So it will be considered as lower case. P is in uppercase and RINT is in lower case. And in case of letter, PRINT, each of the letter has been used in uppercase. So what is case sensitive? In your coming years you come to know that what is case sensitive. Case sensitive means if we write print in small letter, and if the system is not allowing you to write it in all the letters in small letter, that it will not take and it will not execute. Suppose capital PRINT print 1298 you have written. Okay, if this application required only small letters or only lowercase, that for writing the P in capital letter it will not execute, it will show you error symbol. In coming years you will come to know that in case of programming language C or any other programming languages are also there, where you need, these are all case sensitive, because in case of small p, if you write a capital P, it will show you error. Okay, that's why we call those case sensitive. But in case of MSW logo and QBasic also, which will come in class 6, these are not case sensitive, because you can write capital small, you can write the small letter also, they only need the command from you in any manner, maybe in uppercase, maybe in lowercase, or with the mixed also, that means uppercase and lowercase both. Now we will move for the next, printing a sentence. How to print a sentence? The print primitive helps us to display any message on the screen. Type P R, press the spacebar key. Now what to do? Type P and R, capital P, capital R, because whenever we need to write the short forms, okay, then we need to put capital P and capital R. The short forms will be same as given in the book. And after that you will press a space bar, and after pressing the space bar, in third bracket you need to write the message so that it can be displayed. So in case of this three, using print primitive, if we put number, no need to give any comma, any inverted comma, or any any kind of bracket. In case of printing a letter or an alphabet, you need to give you need to press the spacebar, and after that you need to give inverted comma, and in that inverted comma you need to write the word. If you want to write a sentence, or if you want to print a sentence, you need to write the short form PR, capital P, capital R, PR, then you need to give space, and after that bracket, in bracket you need to give your message. Suppose here it has been given, I love my school, I respect my elders. Okay, you need to give the brackets, and if you forgot to give bracket, then also you can also display any message using underscore. আমরা যেটাকে ড্যাশ বলি, usually we are telling that dash, it can be the actual term of these are underscore. Okay, so if you forgot to write or give the bracket, then you can write it in inverted comma, starting from a part and it will end in a part. But after writing all the sentences, all the words, sorry, not sentence, all the words, you need to put a underscore so that it can be printed. See, PR space inverted comma double quotation, I respect my elders, and then quotation has been closed. And after that what output comes? I underscore respect underscore my underscore elders. That means I dash respect dash my dash elders. So we need to do it in this way. So coming with the next one.